Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ina. In today's video I have another wig tutorial for you guys. It's been a minute since I've uploaded content on my channel. I'm transitioning, so it's been super stressful during the last couple of weeks, but I am back. Today's video is sponsored by a hair company called BraidsQueen, and I'm sporting the lovely braided hair. I was a little bit skeptical about this wig, but you guys, I am loving it. This is my first time wearing a braided wig like this. I've never really had my hair braided like this in this style at all, so this is actually me testing out the waters to see if I would actually get braids, actual braids like this. But then again, I'm like, if there are wigs like this, there's no need for me to actually get my actual hair braided. This is a perfect protective style. If you don't want to have wear straight hair, curly hair, body wave hair, whatever the case is, you can resort to a wig that is already braided. Now, I've seen a lot of these wigs, but a lot of them look very unnatural. But I must say that this wig looks very natural. Okay, so my other camera died, so I have to transition to my other camera. So as I was saying, I was super skeptical about this wig, but it turned out really cute. The only thing is that it's a little bit puffy, but what I did was you guys are going to see me use mousse. And then what I did, I just used my head tie in order to tie everything down so that it looks a lot more natural. But other than that, it looks really cute. I'm super excited. I can't wait to rock this and take pictures with it. The length is amazing. It literally stops right a little bit past my butt, which I love. I love the longness of it. I love the fullness of it. And it stops right here. Super long. I love it. I'm so in love with this wig. Did I say that I love this wig? So this is how it looks. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this wig, please stay tuned. As always, the information on this wig will be down in the description box below, so definitely check BraidsQueen. And also, I wanted to also mention that in the packaging, it came with the wig cap and an extra elastic band, and then it also comes with some decor for your braids, which I did not use, but I will definitely accessorize my twists, and I'll post some pictures on Instagram. So if you're not following me, definitely follow me on Instagram to see how I decorated my braids with these accessories, along with other accessories that I may have. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.